waking up, exhaustion, work, stress, and then changing your clothes, picking up your phone or turning on the TV, and that feeling you get in that moment, only you know what that feels like. But have you ever stopped to think, how much is that little comfort actually costing you? Wait, today I'm going to tell you something you've probably never thought about from this angle. You know how termites work? They eat a tree from the inside. From the outside, it looks completely fine. But one day, that tree just falls. That's exactly what's happening to you. Every day, wake up, struggle, then screen. And in this loop, you are slowly consuming your own life. Look at your face, your hair, your skin. How much have you changed in just the last 10 years? But here's the truth. The screen didn't do this to you. Your broken routine handed the screen control over your life. When your day has no structure, when your morning has no direction, your mind automatically looks for an easy escape. And that escape is scrolling, series, and screens. The screen is just a symptom. The real problem is your broken schedule. Remember what life was like 10 years ago? You weren't glued to your phone. You weren't this lazy. You remembered things. You were sharp. You were switched on. People used to say, "Wow, you're so smart." That time was real, and that version of you was real. Then slowly, the screen came, the scrolling came, and that version of you got lost. And this is a very important but. Nothing is gone forever. Seriously, starting today, starting right now, if you just fix your schedule, you will feel your life getting better again. So the solution is not to throw away your phone or smash your TV. When your day is structured, when your mornings are right, you'll naturally stop running to the screen. You only need the screen when your mind is exhausted and your life feels out of control. Fix the schedule, and the screen will find its place. Step 1. Fix your night and morning. Look at when you sleep. Look at when you wake up. Is it consistent? Probably not. That's your first job. Set a fixed sleep time and a fixed wake-up time. Step 2. Take breakfast seriously. Waking up feeling fresh and eating a proper breakfast, this isn't just a health thing, this is about the energy you carry through your entire day. When your body is fueled, your mind works. When your mind works, your work flows. Step 3. Clear your small pending tasks. Those little tasks you keep pushing to later, those are the heaviest weight on your shoulders. Just take 20 to 30 minutes today and finish them. You will physically feel it. The weight lifts. Your mind breathes again. Step 4. One task, full focus. When you're working, do only that one thing. Phone aside. Notifications off. Finish that task, then move to the next. This one habit will double your performance. Step 5. Plan tomorrow before it comes. Tasks that didn't get done today, write them down. Prepare your list for tomorrow. This isn't just organization. This gives your mind permission to actually rest tonight. Now one thing, and I mean this seriously, you watched this video, you thought about it, you felt it. So now just do one thing. Write in the comments, "I'm starting today." Just that. That one line is your first step. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this channel was built for you. Subscribe, like, share your story in the comments. I'll be waiting for your comments.